So, this is Amanda from Amanda's Garden Consulting and also from the garden website. And I planted these pea seedlings. They're called Little Marvel. They're a dwarf pea. And so I planted them inside the greenhouse because I didn't want them to get eaten by slugs and cutworms and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, here they are. I've got them in a cell pack here. So I've got one that I've already planted. I made a trench with my trusty trowel, and so what I'm going to do now is take them out of their little package and just kind of massage their bottoms there and slip them out, and then again massage their roots, just separate them slightly. I don't need to separate these because peas actually like to be together. They like to be crowded, so I'm going to put that right there, and get some more out here. So what I'm going to do is just quickly put these in here, and I will have peas that aren't going to be hopefully chewed by whatever's out there, because I do have cutworms in the garden, and if you have cutworms in the garden, then they usually like to eat the seedlings when they're really small. So these ones have a little bit of maturity to them, so they shouldn't get snarfed by naughty insects. Just one here, I'll throw that in there anyway, and so it goes quickly, doing this way, and so hopefully we'll have peas very shortly. I don't like sowing peas outside too early in the season because I find the weather's just too unpredictable, especially since our weather is just not the way it used to be here in rainy Vancouver. It's not, we haven't really had much of a winter this year. It got cold in January, but that was about it. All right. Yes, I'm snuggling them together. I don't care. I planted them separately, you know, and I do find that what happens is that they just don't do as well. Well, it's not a very viable one, but I'm shoving it in there anyway. So, okay, so here we go. So now the thing is I want them to grow up here. I will be putting up not netting, but plastic mesh. I'm going to just firm them in, make them kind of upright. I find a lot of people are just too gentle with plants. Mind you, you should be gentle, but you can, you know, they've got to make sure that they're snugged in there tightly, because if they're not, the roots are hanging in the air with air pockets underneath them, and then they die. So with transplanting, you always want to make sure that they're firmly in the ground, because they'll do much better that way and they won't die. Right, so I'll make sure they're all in there. Right, this also gives me more space in the greenhouse now, which is nice. And then I've got this just a gentle soak. It's going to rain tomorrow. Now with this, I've also put some transplant fertilizer in the water as well, and so that will help them establish themselves sooner. Right, so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, Amanda's Garden Consulting Company, and the garden website. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.